Hello!
Hello! Hi guys, so we're here at Starbucks and I just got my birthday cake pop and it's in a very iridescent sparkly bag because you know I'm so special and everybody loves me at Starbucks, so yeah. And then I got a pumpkin spice latte and it's gonna be so good.
Hi guys, only special things can bring your daughter's joy. First is the best mom in the world. All right, I think we're gonna carry on. Hi guys. So what my daughter says, she got a pumpkin spice latte, cold latte. She loves it, and when I try it, no thank you. I don't like it, but she likes it. So, therefore, for all of you who likes it, good luck. Da 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 da.
So I got my pumpkin spice latte iced because it's still summer, but I love the fall drink.
What are you doing, honey?
Shaking up my seafood, baby.
Oh. Hi guys, so we're doing barbecue. Hi my auntie. The wind 20, 30 miles per hour. There's my garbage can. Down. He's got an amazing tree. We'll take care of it. A big bird, and I don't know what kind of bird it looks like. It has a red face on it. I don't see if there any other bird around here. But there is that big bird right there. See, there it is. See, there it is, right there. And how many are you adding?
Like 2.5.
2.5. Oh, that sounds good.
And then I'm gonna get the milk.
How many cups of milk?
It's not that much because they're like it's supposed to be pretty thick. So hopefully that much.
Oh, I see.
And you can always add more if it's too thick.
And are you making acai?
Yes.
Ooh.
So now we're gonna get the little blade thing. Oh. Screwed on, nice and tight. And I've never used this before, so I'm gonna see how to screw it on. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today is Sunday and I'm gonna be making an acai bowl. So we got this new NutriBowl. It's a type of blender, but you just blend it for one individual cup. And these are all the things it can do and all the things it comes with and all the instructions. And I'm excited to try it out. So I'm making an acai bowl, and so far I just have these mixed frozen fruit. There's blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries, and I'm adding sugar so it's not so sour, and then I'm gonna be adding milk, and then we're gonna blend it up. Okay, so it's all blended up and nice and thick, and now I'm gonna put it into my bowl. Then I'm gonna smooth it out, nice and smooth. And then I'm gonna add my toppings. So for toppings, I have this coconut and almond granola, and some coconut flakes, and some honey. Get some, sprinkle it on. I like a lot of granola because it's really nice and crunchy, good mix. And now this is kind of solid, so I'm just gonna try my best to get some honey. Come on. Oh, it's a little bit. Now it's all done. Here's my acai bowl. Really good.
Let's try it out. I think 2 or 3 people, 4 people can have that huge 24 ounce. Woo, look how look inside, so delicious.
It's nice and thick.
And thick, yes.
Time to get our bowl and our toppings.